Okay, morning all. I'm going to show you the transfer process again. Okay, and put this image here. It's reversed because it needs to be a mirror image. Just plain printer paper, laser toner print. Got a piece of pine here. See, I've got the end grain there. All's horizontal grain. It's best for carving signs. And use cellulose thinners from Baratine. My other important tool is a spoon. Okay, step one, get some of the thinners on the board. Okay, just going to dribble a little bit on there. Stuff evaporates very quickly, so do it very quick. Get some on the rag. I want to saturate that pretty well. Once that's done, lay my image down. Now, when you first put it down, you don't have to be precise. You have a few seconds before it really starts to react. I'm just going to give that a wipe. Right, you can see that the correct orientation of the letters now. Other thing I do is whenever I print an image, I put these lines in, and that helps me line up my image for setup. Right now that just needs to sit there for about 2 minutes. Okay, so we've waited about 2 minutes. Now now's the time we're going to use a spoon. So this is quite important. What I'll do is I'll use the spoon on one of the lines, not the letters, because I just want to see if we're getting any blurring. If when you rub it, if that line distorts at all, it's not ready yet. But it's not doing it, so I can go ahead and start burnishing. Now basically what you're going to do is you're going to rub every bit of the image, and that will help it transfer to the board. Sorry for the jumpy video. It's pretty important when you're doing this, don't let the image move around, because if you move it around, when you move this, your lines will be blurred and distorted. Let's take a look. Alright, it's coming out pretty well. There's a few more spots I want to do a bit harder. I want it to be really clear. If when you're doing this and it's not transferring and it's the burnishing isn't working, just get your rag, add a little bit more thinners. Do it again waiting for it to dry. A little bit more of my K. I'm going to do these outset letters, so I really want to have a good line to follow. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So it's taken 4 minutes. And while I was waiting for that one, got that one set out. I've got that one set out. And do that one inset and the other one outset. Okay, so I haven't rubbed these ones yet. You can see, even without rubbing them, the image is pretty well mostly transferred. Okay, so that's all 3 done. So you can imagine that all 3 of them took maybe 10 minutes. So imagine the time saved using carbon paper or carving through. Now with this, there's nothing to remove. If you stick the paper down, you still got to get the paper back off, which means using a heat gun, using thinners again. This way you just do it, carve it, done.